Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business. Hey, thanks for joining us today. I want to share with you something amazing, an amazing resource that I recently learned about. And that is that on the DEG website, there is actually a resource section that allows you to access any vehicle owner's manual. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you what kind of cool information that I have found in the vehicle owner's manual. For example, for a Chrysler 300 or a GM Tahoe or a Toyota Camry. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know that the owner's manuals are chock full of information that will help us to do things like justify why we need to pre-scan a vehicle, or help us to justify why we might want to use OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts. There's so many amazing things in an owner's manual. So ladies and gentlemen, I gotta tell you, I found out about these owner's manuals through my good friend Danny at the DEG. So Danny, can you tell us a little about the owner's manuals and where they can find them at on the DEG website?
Absolutely, Mike. So we compiled a list of all the major manufacturers' owner's manuals and put them in an easy one-link document available on our website at the Estimate Toolbox on the drop-down and under the OEM position statements and websites with the owner's manuals. From there, you'll have access to all the major manufacturers' OEM's owner's manuals. You can search by VIN or even year, make, and model, which gives you access to all those details and those statements that maybe help you gain the trust of that vehicle owner in the repair process. So one of my favorite things to go in the owner's manuals for is finding out what to do when replacing a tire and how many tires should you be replacing in a repair process. And that information is always going to be found in the owner's manuals because that's related to the consumer, the vehicle owner itself. So if you can't find it in the repair procedures, check the owner's manuals, and those links are available free of charge on our website at the degweb.org under the Estimate Toolbox section.
Man, great insight, Danny. So ladies and gentlemen, remember, don't delay, do it today. Go to the DEG website, go to the resource section, and check out the links to all of the vehicle owner's manual. You'll be surprised at what you'll uncover. Thanks for joining us today.